These are the Sony WH-CH520 headphones. These are the on-ear version of the headphones here. Padding on this is pretty soft and plush. Nice. Adjustability is good here. Fits all different head types. On the topic of on-ear, these ones won't fit as good as your on-ear ones. So that is one of the drawbacks here. This one comes in black. Taking a look at the left-hand side of the ear pad, there's actually no buttons on this side. As you can see, everything here is on the right-hand side. You have your volume up, you have your volume down. This is your power button right here, as well as your Bluetooth button for pairing. And coming down here, you have your USB-C for charging. Turning on the headphones are pretty simple. You just push and hold the power button for a few seconds until you see the light flashing. Continue to hold until you see it flashing just like this. That lets you know that the headphones are in pairing mode and can be connected via Bluetooth. Overall, these are very affordable headphones. One of the biggest drawbacks, instead, in my opinion, of the on-ear is the fact that these do not have any noise cancellation. So if you are looking for noise cancellation, you can look at the slightly higher model, which is the 720N of these headphones. But if you're just looking for simple Bluetooth headphones that you can easily pair with any device, and these ones can sit on your ears without having to worry about over the ear, these are the headphones for you. Headrest up here is pretty nice. Nice padding as well. Build quality, pretty good. Headphones are very light. So maybe if you are going to be using these for the gym, because they don't have over the ear, they might fall off a little bit. But other than that, these are simple, easy to use Bluetooth headphones, and you should check them out. I'll leave a link below to Amazon where you can check out these headphones. It is my affiliate link. If you do purchase something from that Amazon affiliate link, I do get a small commission. So thank you.